Detailed searching for hard-to-find information has never been so easy. Doesn't land have enough to do when it comes to managing due diligence, lease maintenance, and drilling schedules without having to comb through documents for required information? Whether you're looking for specific language in a lease, a certain provision, finding a name, or more, P2i Landman has an optical character recognition tool that makes thousands of uploaded documents easily searchable. Instead of wasting time looking through your file room or a shared drive, quickly search through your documents with just the click of a button. iLandman's powerful OCR tool instantly finds relevant text, even from poor scans, old records, or embedded words in maps and plats. The first example is a full text search. James Riddle has come up in the curative process, and your title attorney is asking for a copy of his will prior to drilling. Since you're unsure of his middle name, just the words James Riddle are searched. The results show a poorly scanned copy of his will. Next is an exact search. Fidelio Breeding is identified as a potential stranger to title. In order to verify title in your project area, a quick search will help identify any attachments. As you can see, this particular deed is over 100 years old. Last is a fuzzy search. Note that the O was left out of the name Bowers in this search. Related documents are still found, including in graphics as shown in this plat. Detailed searching for hard-to-find information has never been so easy. Save time and money by empowering your land team with iLandman's state-of-the-art OCR module to reduce busy work and refocus on higher priority responsibilities.